Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, if we are not getting any charging on our OnePlus phone, what exactly we can do, or we will be seeing in this video. If you are connected with your charger connector and the adapter is connected to the socket, but still you're not getting charging, what exactly you can do, I will see in this video. If you're connected but still it's not connecting, change this cable, USB cable from the adapter, so that your problem will be solved. The second solution can be, you can change this adapter, wall adapter, and try again. And third one would be, you can change this socket from here to any other socket, so that issue will be solved. So simple. And third one or fourth one would be doing a cleaning with a soft brush on your connector, USB C-type connector. Just clean it. And the fifth one, you can do it with the toothpick, or this one. Yeah, some obstruction will be there here. Just clean it. That's all. So simple. You can do all these things with your own help. You don't need to ask anybody for that matter. After doing this, if you connect it, you will understand your mobile would be charging so easily. Observe this. Now after doing all those things, my charging is been happening here, and my mobile is getting charged so easily. That's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.